Hi, in this video I continue with more new features in the new major version of Inkscape, and the first new features I want to show are in regards to guides. I'm going to click on the ruler here with the left mouse button, hold it to drag a few guides, and now we have the option to just click here and hide these really quickly and easy. When we click again, the guides will appear again. This is a small but very useful new feature. For example, if you want to have a quick look at your graphic without all of the guides getting in the way, you can quickly hide them by clicking here. Also, now we have the options to change the color of the guides and label them. I'm going to double click on this guide and this dialog will appear where I can click and change the color of the guide to something else. Also, I can label it. Then click OK to apply, and you see now we have a guide with a label and with the desired color. And we can do this for each guide individually. Each guide can have its own color and label. Another useful feature is that now we can make simple calculations right in the spin boxes. I'm going to grab this tool and create a rectangle. Let's change the opacity to 100. Go to the Select and Transform tool. And now if I want to double the width of this rectangle, instead of trying to calculate it myself or use a calculator, I can just click over here, type *2. Star is the Shift 8 key. And then just click Enter to apply, and I have just doubled the width of this rectangle. You can also add, subtract, divide, and so on. Very useful feature in my opinion, and it's now available in Inkscape. Note that not all of these spin boxes, not in all of them you can make calculations. For example, if I start the fill and stroke tool, in the blur here you cannot use this. For example, if I change it to 2 and try to type *2, nothing will work. So not in all of the spin boxes this is possible. Let's close this and open the Layers dialog by clicking over here. There are a few new features regarding layers. To demonstrate, I'm going to click over here to create a new layer. Click on the Add button. Let's create one more, Add. And I also want to expand this from over here. And now we can hold down the mouse button and drag a layer to rearrange it. For example, if we want to move the layer 1 on top, let's do this. Layer 2 in the middle. We can also click and drag to create sublayers. It's a little bit tricky. If I click it out like this, I am going to again make it a separate layer. If I want to add it, just try to drop it here in layer 1. One more time, and now we have these as a sub-layers to layer 1. Also, by right clicking on the menu here, we have the option to show or hide all layers. By the way, if you're new to Inkscape, I have videos dedicated entirely to layers explaining all the options in detail. You can find them in my beginner's guide. Link is in the description of the video. So that's it for this one. I hope that it was useful. If it was, like it, leave me a comment. Visit my channel for more. If you're new, subscribe. Visit my GIMP channel for photo editing tutorials. That's it for now. Bye.